Ugat ng pagkalugi? Kaya bang tumagal ang negosyo kung mahina ang pundasyon? Alam mo anak, dati akala ko basta may magandang product ka, kikita ka agad ang business mo. Bumili ako ng mga paninda, nag-hire ng staff, tapos hinintay ko lang na dumating ang customers at pera. Simple, di ba? Kaso hindi ganun ang nangyari. I remember my mentee na si Myra. Nag-open siya ng electronic shop kasama ng husband niya. And maganda naman ang location. Kumpleto ang mga gadgets nila at competitive pa ang price. Perfect combination, di ba? But then after several months, palugi na sila. Nako, I found out na wala pala silang sistema. Hindi organized ang inventory ng gadgets, hindi trained ang staff sa technical knowledge, at walang proper accounting. Para silang nagtayo ng bahay na walang matibay na foundation. Hindi naman kasi dapat puro products lang anak. A stronger business needs strong fundamentals. Kaya ang ginawa namin, we focused on building systems. Nag-implement kami ng inventory tracking para sa mga electronic items, proper technical training sa staff, at financial monitoring. Totoo, hindi naging madali ang lahat, but soon, their business started to pick up. Kumikita na ang electronic shop nila ng maayos. Ito ang lesson. Ang negosyo natin, it's only as strong as its foundation. You need solid systems, trained people, and financial discipline. Remember anak, businesses don't fail overnight. It's the small cracks that break them down. So, let's be business-minded Pinoy. And if you want more strategies to grow your business without the stress, grab my book, Grow Your Business Pinoy. Link in the comments.